Most people think avocado trees are tropical and need constant warm weather, but they are actually more adaptable than you might expect. With a few key insights, you can learn to grow them in your own backyard, even if you do not live in a tropical climate. Avocado trees originated in south central Mexico. They thrive in warm temperatures, ideally between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. However, some varieties, like the Mexican and Guatemalan types, are more cold tolerant than you might assume. They can withstand temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit for short periods. The first step in growing an avocado is choosing the right variety for your climate. Hass is the most common and accounts for 80% of cultivated avocados worldwide. It is versatile but prefers milder climates. The Bacon and Fuerte varieties are better suited for areas with cooler winters. Knowing your local climate and choosing the right type is essential for success. Avocado trees need well-draining soil. They dislike waterlogged conditions, which can lead to root rot. A sandy or loamy soil mix with good drainage is ideal. You can improve drainage by adding compost or organic matter, which also enriches the soil. Raised beds or planting on a mound can help prevent water from pooling around the roots. When planting, choose a location with full sun. Avocado trees love sunlight and need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. They are also sensitive to wind, which can damage young trees and reduce fruit yield. Planting near a windbreak or providing some protection can help. Watering is a critical aspect of avocado tree care. Young trees need regular watering to establish their roots. However, overwatering can cause more harm than good. The soil should be moist but not soggy. Once established, avocado trees are relatively drought tolerant. Still, consistent watering during dry spells will promote healthy growth and fruit production. Fertilizing avocado trees encourages growth and fruiting. Use a balanced fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Apply it 3 times a year, once in spring, once in summer, and once in fall. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can harm the tree. Mulching around the base can also help conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Pruning avocado trees is not as complicated as it sounds. The main goal is to maintain shape and size while removing any dead or diseased branches. Prune lightly, focusing on maintaining air circulation and light penetration throughout the canopy. This encourages healthy growth and increases fruit yield. Avocado trees take time to bear fruit. Patience is key. Most trees will start producing fruit between 3 to 5 years after planting if they're grafted. Seed-grown trees can take a decade or more to fruit. While waiting, you can enjoy the beautiful evergreen foliage and the shade the tree provides. Be prepared to address potential pest issues. Avocado trees can be susceptible to pests like mites, scale, and root rot. Regular monitoring and using organic pest control methods can help manage these issues. Healthy, well-cared-for trees are less likely to suffer severe infestations. Avocados are nutrient-rich fruits. They are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Growing your own means you can enjoy fresh, pesticide-free avocados right from your garden. This is a rewarding experience that also supports sustainable living practices. In conclusion, avocado trees are more approachable than many believe. By selecting the right variety, providing ideal growing conditions, and maintaining care, you can cultivate these lush trees in a variety of climates. With patience and attention, your own backyard can become a source of rich, creamy avocados. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newcomer, consider adding an avocado tree to your landscape. It might surprise you just how adaptable and rewarding they can be.